no swinging. Our outdoor day is gone. We looked outside with a little frown, but something magic was going on. Look closer, the puddles start to glow. Splish, splash, puddle jumping fun. Rain can't stop us, we found a new one. Bubbles floating all around. Rainy days can be happy days too. Yay, yay, yay. Under the roof of our candy home, we laughed and danced, we're not alone. Bubbles in the rain, floating so high, a rainbow's waiting.